Okay, I got this new image, and we're gonna head for this tail piece, and we're also going to get started on these tire pieces, which all of it's hard to see. Well, obviously not the tail piece, but all this. So let's get started. Let's jump in the top view. Let's grab a shape, and let's do a circle. Hit F3 so you can see what you're doing. Right click after you drag it out. Go to an extrude, put a 1 in there, and then we're going to go ahead and add an edit poly, and then you're going to grab your scale tool with your R key and just go like this, and you're going to move it. You're actually going to select the piece, then align it to this, and then all the pivot point, because it should already be lined up. If your pivot point's not on point, go to your hierarchy, go to effect pivot only, put your snaps on, right click it on vertex and edge, and then snap it to one of those spots. So you should be able to snap it easily to that. Okay, so anyway, you should already have that done. Alright, so we got, turn off your snaps, we got this piece started. Let's move it back here, press Z. Okay, if you look at your RQ-1B, it's same width, and then it stays up a little higher, and it does that on the regular ones too, so same width, stays up a little higher. Yep. So grab that piece, let's scale it the long way to make it a little wider. That works. Let's hop in our left view, move it down, leave it intersecting there just for now, and let's bring it down. Okay, hit F3, Alt X. She brought it down a little too far. You can see the wing in there just a bit, so move it to the left, and then I also want to grab it all and then shrink it that way. There we go. And I'm going to shrink it a bit more so it's not sticking out the back. Okay, Alt X, and we pretty much got our wing there. Alright, next up. Oops, left view. Get out of your edit poly, then deselect, or just select somewhere. Let's do this piece. Let's go to our shapes. Let's grab a rectangle this time. Click and drag down all the way. Right click, put an extrude on it, give it some thickness. Or give it some thickness. Leave that. Go to your top view, hit F3. Too thick, so drag her down. Something like that. And then effect pivot only, center to object, align to the center piece again. And there's 2 of these in the back, so just don't worry about it for now. We're just getting one in there. So make it intersect on the top. Go back to your modify panel, put an edit poly on there. Drag these down a bit, hit Alt X on it. It does taper a bit. Okay. And then let's rotate with shift. Hit OK. Let's grab all these and just move it the ghetto style. So it goes up there, goes right there. And then this one goes here. Alright, and then hit Alt X on there. Hit Alt X on there. Alright, there we go. Probably a little too thick, but that's an easy adjustment. So let's grab this piece, shift drag. Actually, we're not even going to do that. Let's grab our line tool, get out of that object. When I say get out of that object, I'm in it, you know I have all my options and properties over here, and then I just click on the screen, so I'm out of it. Go to your line tool, and let's see if we can just do this with one line. There we go. And that's easy, don't worry about that. So click down there. Backspace is how you get rid of stuff, so actually gonna go like that because I really want that arch in there. Okay, click, 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 close the spline. Alright, so now we can hit 1, and let's see if we can connect these. I don't know if we can. Interpolation, rendering, connect. Yeah, it's not liking that. So might be able to weld them. No, fuse. Yeah, that worked, but not really. Not for what we wanted to do. Not sure why connect's not working. So anyway, what I would normally do is put my extrude on there, big surprise. Put an edit poly on there, big surprise. And then let's hit our 1 key. Let's hit F3. F3, F3. So these two want to be connected, so I'll grab these two verts. Now they're connected, and then I'll grab these two verts. Now they're connected. Okay, and now actually the width is going to be fixed on all of them, so don't worry about that. Just delete that part of it, and then grab your polys, delete those two. Now we have our shape. Hit F3. Okay, and then let's grab our line tool again. I right clicked there to get out of it. That's actually a polygon, so that's perfect, that works. And one thing we can do, go to your modify panel on this other object, the front big leg, and control click, well, let's just grab the extrude. Oops. Copy, try pasting it on this. Right click, paste. Okay. And now, to make a donut, it's actually called a torus for some reason, so do that right in the center. There you go. Let's see how that looks. That's fine, don't worry about that. Let's see, so you know what we could do? No, that's not gonna work. We can, let's try, no, that didn't like that. Oh, we'll look at that piece later, so don't stress about that too much. Let's go back to our left view. Shift left click and drag this guy back. Press OK, Z to zoom. I'm going to put it right in the middle. I'm going to adjust this while holding Alt. And I don't even look up or down, I just look at the screen, so that's part of, I don't know, Max being cool. So, let's try deleting this extrude. No, it didn't like that. So we can collapse 2. Now we have that piece. And let's copy this extrude. And let's paste it here. No, it didn't like that. So what we can do to get that to the same spot is select that and then extrude it this way, or let's do that way, and then right click, press 3, cap that, go back to 4, and get your screen right about like this, turn your snaps on, and just grab the X plane and then drag it to, oops, right click it and snap it to poly to the face. Uncheck these other two, hit X, I'll grab just the X and we snap that to the face. Let's try this one. Okay, don't press S. Okay, once you got that, now press X with the face selected. There we go, now that one's good. Let go of S, put S. Now do the face. There. Now it's the same exact width as that one, so press S. I'd reset these, clear all, edge and vertex. Okay, get out of that, press X. Alright, now this piece, F3, that one is centered, so you can just grab your line tool and align it straight to that, okay? And then this is one of my favorite tricks. There's actually a quick align right here. It's this little, if you click and hold on here, it brings up this lightning bolt. So I'm going to click here. Oops. Yep, and then it just quick aligns all that stuff. So quick align. Oops. Yep, so real quick again. Select all three of these, quick align, click. Now you do have to realign them, which isn't really a big deal. So there's these pieces, hit Alt X. Excuse me. There's those. Grab just these two, drag it down, and grab that. Grab them all, hit Alt X. Alright, there we go. And that one other tire got screwed up. It's actually gone. It's one of these ones. I thought that looked thick. Yeah, it's clearly the bigger one, so go back to your left view. F3. There we go. Alright, I think we're almost ready to... There's a couple other features. There's this weird aerodynamic pole thing in the back. There's another wing on top. A few other little things, and then we'll actually go through from front to back and refine. So, have a good day, guys.